In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make and edit images with Nano Banana for beginners. Let's get started. The great thing about Nano Banana is that it's free to use and works directly in your browser, so you don't need to download anything. You can edit photos like a pro without needing to learn complex software like Photoshop. The only requirement is that you have a Google account. To get started, navigate to the website gemini.google.com, log in with your Google account, and you are all set. First, you can create an image by typing a prompt. For example, if I type create an image of a vibrant autumn forest with golden leaves, Nano Banana will generate it for me about in few seconds. Now, if you're looking for even more realistic results and advanced edit, Nano Banana offers a pro version called Nano Banana Pro. To access this, simply click the fast button and change the modal to Thinking with Free Pro. One of the coolest features of Nano Banana is that you can upload images of yourself or others and use them in your creations. For example, I want to create a custom congratulatory card for my friend who has just launched her own business. You can upload images of yourself, likewise the picture of your friend, then give it a prompt, create an image of a small business opening with balloons, a grand opening sign, and excited people. Also, I'm going to add a banner that says New Beginnings, Endless Possibilities, along with some fun milestones. Nano Banana uses the images I uploaded and creates something custom in no time. The result is impressive. It looks just like us in a joyful, celebratory setting. And the best part is you can easily customize it further. For example, if I want to make the balloons in the image more colorful, I can just tell Nano Banana and it will adjust the image for me. As long as you are referring to the image, you can make any edits you imagine. The only limitation on a free account is that after creating a few images, you might need to wait a bit before using it again. Also, it does not work with celebrity faces, but for personal images of you and your friends, there is no issue. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.